The tree, if you can see it, is raining.
But it grows into a tree. Yes, it's a bush.
I don't know if you can tell, but the tree is raining. No joke. Right next to the healing tent. It is raining. The tree is for real raining. I'm trying to give you guys an idea so you can see it.
What does it look like?
No, I don't, but I know that it talks about one of the...
Can you see it? Can anybody see it? I hope you guys can see that.
He was standing
It's
underneath
insane.
the Myrtle Tree when he saw the visions of the 4 horses.
That's Philip, right? Or not?
Remember the 4 horses? And he saw
I hope this translates, because that is crazy. We just got rained on this tree. The tree is dripping next to the healing tent. Craziness.
Some related. Because see, the acacia tree is related to